Hey guys, so yes, I did get a haircut. Hope you like it. So I'm gonna be showing you how to make a camera out of cheap stuff. So like a Pringles can, a Lay's bag as the cover. See, a Lay's bag. No, I'm not sponsored. So what you will need is a crafting knife. I am doing this in my bed because on my desk it is quite a mess. I wouldn't really say messy, but there is nothing to hold it. So with your crafting knife, you cut the metal at the bottom, and yeah, I'll be showing you what to do next when I finish. Almost done. Yeah. Once you only have a little bit left, you can either cut it or rip it. Now that you've got this Pringles can, yes, I have washed it out. Let's just, put this somewhere.
Yeah, I did it. He did not do it. I did it.
So once you have this, you can just take your Lay's bag, put it over, put some duct tape to make it look like the cover. Okay, so what you will also need is a bit of cardboard, and they won't need to be cut in half.
But it's still cardboard.
Let's find some duct tape. Here's some duct tape. You'll just need a little bit, and then you'll put this down on the ground like that. Connect it, and then so, and then you just put the piece of duct tape. And then you just put it around. Also, if you want me to make a exposed video template for DJ Cook, let me know.
No, don't listen to DJ Cook. He just randomly says something about Morg's channel.
I know he is attacking channels and stuff.
That's rude. So why he's doing?
Yeah, but it's for kids though, and sometimes also he doesn't really have the right vision because he's 16. I don't know.
He's just so dumb.
Shut up, you watch him as well. So if you want me to make a exposed video, maybe you can use it as a template. Comment down below. You can also like and subscribe.
If you want.
Look at that, he took my Lay's bag. So once you have these two connected, take your metal bit. You can always check because it's around the edges. Focus. Around the edges is metal. Over here is cardboardy. So you put it around. You can use a hot glue gun, but so I'll just be using duct tape. also shout out to DJ Cook. She's my favorite YouTuber out.
What did I do?
No, you can't see none of that.
Okay.
Okay, so yes, it might be a little hard to tape it in the inside. Holy, you're gonna be alright. My boo is trying to shoot me with a Nerf gun. But, ow! Stop shooting. Stop it, that's my gun. Hey, stop shooting my butt. I just paused because my brother was showing something that isn't meant to be on YouTube. And I can't get demonetized because, yeah. I'm not that famous to get demonetized. So it's better not to be famous since, well, yeah, sure, you can be famous, have it your own way, but not being famous is a massive advantage because you can't really get demonetized. Yeah. Yeah, you can't get demonetized. Or you can. Oh yeah, do you wanna join my Discord channel? Then turn your phone portrait like I'm recording this video. And then just what is it? And then just click on my icon, or if you're landscape, swipe up, and then press on my channel icon. And then go hunting for the Discord thingy. Please join. Also, you can't get shouted out if you join my Discord server. I'll even add more groups. So now that you've got your camera, you need some cling film. I'll be back. I probably just subscribed and liked one video. I know. So you will need some cling foil and a scissor, and then get the right amount of a square. Damn it. Yeah, and if we hit 10 subscribers, I'll be doing something special. Maybe it might be something crazy. Maybe it might be something special. Who knows? Maybe it might be my second or first exposed video. Who knows? So just get me to 10 subscribers. So if the square is too big, then maybe cut the corners. Maybe try that. There we go. So I got it in different shape. Now I'm stretching my videos. Okay, you know what? Let's stop stretching my. Once you got it into this position, put duct tape on the cling foil. Oh, there's my duct tape. My back hurts as hell. Also, if you want me to make another Minecraft video, tell me. Please do. Because I want more video suggestions. I haven't got a lot of videos and I want to make more like my last channel. Yes, I know I am putting a ton of duct tape. There we go. Yes, I know it is a little curved. Who cares? I'm not gonna bother. So now you see the front. It is quite empty. See? Let's try to fit my phone. Not too wide. What about if I take the case off? The 1mm. Now for the front. And obviously on the cardboard, if it is a plain cardboard or writable cardboard, I know what writable cardboard even means. So there we go. So once you've got it to this clear shade, hello. So once you've got it to this clear, now it's not clear. So you need to get it quite clear. Use some duct tape. Put it on your finger. And now do it. So now obviously with the front you can go as big as you want, as long as you cut off the excess. So now we have to cut these off. See the excess? But yeah, if DJ Cook, if you're watching this video, please expose, his name will be in the description. Please expose that Romanian dude. Since I'm Romanian, I can just translate if you want. So now that we've cut off the excess, go get your, well, I'll be going to my, I don't know. Yeah, wait, it's a hairdryer. If I know where it is, let me go ask my mom. Okay, so I asked my mom and, oh, so over here is the better one. I had to use an old one. So, you will need your camera, so turn on your hair dryer. If you have warmth or how many thingies, put it on max, and I would say medium or max. Now, if you want, you can take this off and then put it on the foil. Or do it on the excess as well if you want. Now do the foot. There we go. Let's put it back. So now that you've got your camera, you can't get the Pringles cover thingy to put it on the front. Or you can just use a Lay's bag and do it how I told you in the intro. Now, if you want, I ain't some sort of YouTuber, so I want to show you some stuff in my room. So here I drew one easy. Some tanks. Oh yeah, this is a vintage camera. If I take this off, so this is a vintage camera. This is the cover, and yes, this one has cling foil as well. This is like some sort of thing. It has the flash, and this is the thing you take photos with. Heyo. Okay, let's stop being weird. Here are some stuff, here are some cars, my headphones, and yeah. Also, I do have some cars, but they're hidden somewhere that I know, but I don't want to tell you because my brother's around and he won't stop annoying me.